What's up, fellow peeps? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another, I don't know what the fuck. But we're here. I'm about to set up the new mini Teak Apex wheels. They're super fire. I got like a green pair that basically look like they're clear. They're super cool. They're super mini. They're exactly what they say, mini. So I'm gonna let you know at the end of the video whether or not if you should cop these wheels. But you should probably cop these wheels because they're super fire and I love them and I never lie. So let's get on with the video. So yeah, these right here are basically the new wheels. They're wicked small, as you can see. And then right here in this next clip, I got the bowl wheels, the regular street shape, and at the very end, I got the minis right there. So you can basically see the size difference of what's here. I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up. Gotta get the screws in, get the trucks on, and then go ahead and put the wheels on. So far, so good. Looking really good, actually. All right, now that's all set. Let's go ahead and get these wheels on and let's see how these things perform. They look wicked good. I'm so excited to see how these things perform. I've had one set of mini wheels before, but these ones just look extremely good. The color is extremely good and they're from my favorite brand, Teak Tuning. So what more can I ask for? Especially having it on a Techdeck. It's like a dream setup. Look at it, come on now. But let's see how they do. These wheels are so good. Whoa, I forgot I got a whole fingerboard part. I'm about to get crazy. So yeah, basically these wheels are wicked good. They're really small, really good. I actually really like them. If you're thinking about copping a pair, definitely go cop a pair. I would cop a pair, but they send them to me for free. So I'm pretty lucky and I'm very blessed. I'm very thankful. So shout out to everyone over at Teak Tuning for constantly sending me products and helping me out with the thing I love the most. I really appreciate it. But these wheels are wicked good, wicked good. I would recommend getting them. I give them a 10 out of 10. And I'm not just saying that because I'm sponsored by Teak Tuning. I'm saying that because I really truly believe in these wheels and they're constantly updating and improving the wheels. So go grab you a set. I hope this video was dope and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope I'm a really cool fingerboarder and I hope everyone loves me and stuff like that. Say bye to the park. Later.